Welcome back to Home Renovation Media. I'm renovating a 1968 home, and today I'm taking you through both bathroom transformations, what went right, what went wrong, and what I do differently next time. Links to most of the materials I used, from sinks to shower heads, are in the description and in the first pinned comment below. Let's get started. Chapter 1, the bathrooms before renovation. The master bathroom needed a serious update. The shower pan was leaking and required a full replacement. The toilet was newer, so we kept it, but the vanity and the mirrors were definitely ready for a refresh. In the hall bathroom, the tub was in decent shape, but the tiles had some damage, and both the shower and bath tiles contained lead. Those were removed during the abatement project I covered in episode 3. We replaced the vanity, mirrors, and missing toilet using the same materials as the master bath to create a clean, cohesive look. If you missed how I planned the entire house renovation, check out episode 2. Chapter 2, Hiring the Right Pros. To get the bathrooms done right, I interviewed 3 general contractors and ended up hiring one recommended by a neighbor. I even got to see his work firsthand. This contractor handled the shower installation, tile work, mirrors, and medicine cabinets in both bathrooms. For the vanities and quartz countertops, I worked with Lowe's. Since they were also installing the kitchen, it made coordinating the look easier. In addition, from past experience, I knew that I liked the KOHLER cabinetry line. It's made in the USA, high quality, and low odor. There's no weird formaldehyde smell. Chapter 3, Choosing the Materials. I've already mentioned the KOHLER cabinets, but picking the right materials is one of the hardest parts of doing a renovation, especially without an interior designer. I chose everything myself: the flooring, wall tiles, vanities, and countertops. Let's cover everything I chose. For the flooring, I went with Castle Forge floating vinyl plank, the Indoor Delight line. It has a light and bright natural oak look with a yellow undertone, perfect for a clean, happy vibe. For the KOHLER cabinetry, the color I chose is called White Icing, and I selected the Sugar Creek Maple design. For the quartz countertops, I chose Silestone Eternal Statuario Quartz, a white color with soft gray veins. Let's talk about the shower. For the shower floor, I went with a gray and beige hexagon mosaic. And for the walls, 12 by 24-inch clay porcelain tiles from Italy, in a beige tone with soft gray streaks. I also needed to purchase bullnose tile to finish the edging, and this is what it looks like in the matching beige color. Overall, finding the right colors for flooring, tile, cabinets, and countertops did take a lot of work and multiple trips to the store, but it was worth it in the end. My contractor got a discount on the tile, and I purchased the rest directly from Lowe's. For the flooring, I used a licensed flooring installer. Chapter 4, Fixtures and Hardware. At Lowe's, I picked oval sinks and paired them with chrome Moen faucets. Moen is my go-to for quality and their lifetime guarantee. I also grabbed these under-the-sink mats from Amazon, just in case of leaks. We did have a few drops of water after some plumbing work in the master bathroom, and the mats were able to catch those. For the shower and tub fixtures, I again went with Moen. I like buying my own plumbing hardware so that I get exactly the look that I want. My general contractor told me that he doesn't get any further discount on things like faucets, so there was really no advantage to having him pick out these items for me. In the hall bath, I had a KOHLER round toilet from Lowe's installed. I prefer round bowls over the elongated ones because they look more stylish and fit better in small spaces like the master bathroom. For mirrors, I went with black rimmed ones from Amazon and purchased a smaller one for the master bathroom and a larger one for the hall bath. I think they turned out nice and make the bathrooms look more modern. I paired the mirrors with these medicine cabinets that have mirrored interiors and a black inside. The black color ties in the medicine cabinets and the mirrors well and gives everything a fresh, updated feel. If you're finding these tips helpful, please hit the like button. Let's continue. Unfortunately, with the new medicine cabinet doors, they open all the way and they don't stop at a 90-degree angle like the old ones did. To protect the mirrors and the cabinet doors, I added small self-adhesive rubber stoppers on the medicine cabinets. Chapter 5, The Lighting Mistake. I originally bought a light fixture online, but when we installed it, the glass globes hung too low and shined right in your eyes. In addition, when you opened the medicine cabinet door, it was in danger of hitting the glass of the light fixture. I returned it and replaced it with this upward-facing frosted glass fixture. much better for lower walls. Here's another lesson I learned the hard way. Make sure you purchase a light bulb that has the right brightness and color for bathrooms. Soft white or warm white are ideal. The first bulbs I chose were too bright. Chapter 6, Final Touches. During construction, both bathrooms were prepped for grab bars. I found stylish chrome ones at Lowe's that were both practical and modern. I think they look good. While the existing towel racks in the hall bathroom had colors that worked with the room, I upgraded the master bathroom by buying new chrome towel racks and rings. At the beginning of the bathroom projects, my general contractor let me know that he did not install shower doors. So instead, the shower doors were installed by a local glass company I found on Yelp, and they did an excellent job. I'll share tips for hiring licensed pros in an upcoming episode. To finish the vanities, I had modern white metal toilet roll holders from Amazon installed. In the master bathroom, I reused the old floral knobs, but in the hall bath, I chose new white knobs from Lowe's. They look great. Finally, I had white quarter-round molding that I purchased from Lowe's added to the base of the vanities. This was a cost in addition to the cabinets. The molding is called base shoe, and it covers the gap between the vanities and the floor. I matched the base shoe to the vanities instead of the floor because I think it looks better when you do it that way. And my floor installer installed the base shoe. You can find information and links to many of the materials I used in my bathroom renovations listed in the description and in the first pinned comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Which product or design choice was your favorite? Do you have any tips or questions about bathroom renovation? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss future episodes, including my full kitchen renovation in episode 6.